Hi, I'm Hive. No time to explain, let's study hands. Let's start by drawing two squares. Divide the lower one with the line slightly above the center. This is where the thumb attaches. For convenience, you can draw a triangle from this point. The upper square is divided into three parts. These are the finger phalanges. We split the lower phalanx in half. This is where the thumb will end. Now let's move on to the fingers. The index and ring fingers are on the same level. The middle finger is always a bit higher. The pinky is set slightly apart from the other fingers. If we extend the forearm forward, the width equals about 3 fingers, and the pinky sits slightly to the side. The pinky ends at the level of the second phalanx of the ring finger. So to sum it up, the pinky reached the second phalanx of the ring finger. The ring and index fingers are on the same level. The thumb reached the middle of the first phalanx of the index finger. 3 fingers line up with the forearm, and the pinky sits off to the side. Now let's refine the details. I draw claws in a way that keeps them from looking flat. Just a couple of lines makes them much better. Next, the palm. You can divide it into 3 parts, like 3 pads. One along the pinky side, one from the thumb, and one under the remaining fingers. In the photo example, you can see that the hand is basically 2 squares, and the fingers and palm are the same size. The thumb starts slightly above the middle of the palm, and from there all the same proportions apply. Let's draw the back of the hand. Everything works the same way. The claws start in the middle of the top phalanx, just like nails on a human hand. You can check it on your body. Under each finger there are tendons and joints that look like diamond shapes with string-like lines coming out of them. I sketch a rough structure first, then erase the excess, leaving only the outlines of those diamond shapes. Once you know these proportions, you can quickly and easily sketch a hand. A fist looks something like this. The fingers follow an arc, with the middle finger being the highest, and 2 palm pads below. In this perspective, the thumb will end on the ring finger. You can also start a hand from the 3 palm pads if it feels easier. I use this way a lot. I hope this video was at least a little helpful for you. In the next lesson we will study how to draw feet. Thanks for watching. You can subscribe so you don't miss the new tutorials. See ya!